absolutely fantastic design work in 1956. This is the gear selector, which you basically just push in and push out. Well, it's spring loaded to push out. There's neutral, reverse, low gear, and driver, and that's it. It's on a Powerflight gearbox transmission. It's a 2-speed, but even the gauges are fantastic. Just look at them, the design work, the chrome. Let's see if we can just switch those off, see if they move. Oh, there you go, half a tank. Oil pressure has gone up slightly because the car was on a few minutes ago. Even the cold and heat gauge moved up. But I'm more interested in the design work. It's fantastic. And even the ivory steering wheel. Wow. It's phenomenal. The design work of those characters in those days. And we will show you the rest of the car. It is a restoration project. Yeah, we have rebuilt the 330 Hemi in this, but I wanted to show you this because the other video, when these are operated, the actual it's like a pivot lever downstairs, I say downstairs, upstairs, underneath the car. We did remove the NSS, neutral safety switch, to show you how they moved, and that's the video. This is the bottom of the side where the neutral safety switch goes. We are checking whether the levers, the manual levers in the car, are actually operating. So I have a person upstairs in the driver's seat. This is not upstairs, downstairs. This is like in the car compartment. Passenger, driver, please push neutral. Please push drive. Please push L, low. Please push reverse. Please push neutral. Please push drive. Please push L. Please push reverse. Thank you. Your job has been done. This is where the neutral safety switch goes. So the levers from the top are working, but I do not see the L working as efficiently. I don't know, but let's investigate. Thank you. This is a Powerflight 2-speed transmission, automatic.